Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, here's the backstory. I'm at the grocery store. Flanken style short rib. Flanken style, 14 bucks. So I picked these up. Okay, now, August 2021, we put out a Korean barbecue Kalbi. I don't exactly know how to pronounce it. The video's on our channel from August 21. We made it, it's fantastic, we love it. We've made it a bunch of times. I come home, hanging out, watching YouTube, and I see Chuds BBQ just put out a video, a very actually detailed video explaining a lot of the backstory of this Korean barbecue and how to make a really good marinade. So I'm watching the video and it just reinvigorated me that I had to try his marinade. So I grabbed the blender, I did all the ingredients that he said in the blender. Oh my goodness. It is like a magic juice. This marinade for these ribs is absolutely amazing. There's so many ingredients. You gotta go see his video. Let me just tell you what's in my blender marinade that I copied from him. Soy sauce, sesame oil, brown sugar, garlic, chili flake, salt, pepper, green onion, a Korean pear, and ginger. And let me tell you, it is freaking amazing. So we're gonna marinate these ribs. We're gonna do that for like 4 or 5 hours. The enzymes in there are going to break down the ribs a little bit, 4 or 5 hour marinade. Then we're going to go outside on the world's smallest patio. We're going to be using one of our favorite steaks, the SNS Kettle's grill with the slow and sear inside and Jealous Devil charcoal. We're going to do it right over the charcoal, hot and fast. And I think this is going to be absolutely amazing because this tastes and smells absolutely amazing. So come on, let's make these little Korean barbecue ribs. They're going to be so good. Shout out Chuds BBQ for reinvigorating me from the last video we made. All right, and here we go. Okay, so we're gonna lay down a little bit of marinade. Oh, that smells just amazing. And we're gonna just lay these babies in there. It's only me, so I think a little 4-pack is gonna be perfect for me. A little more marinade. And then the last one, kaboom. All right, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. We'll see you guys back in 4 or 5 hours. Okay, let's come outside on the world's smallest patio. I mean, it's getting a little ridiculous out here. An amazing marinade needs an amazing barbecue. That's why we're using the SNS Grill's Slow and Sear Kettle. Look at this thing, it's amazing. We're gonna be using the Slow and Sear, the Drip and Griddle, the best charcoal on earth, Jealous Devil Max briquettes. Look at the size of these things. So we're gonna fill that up. We're just going hot and fast. Like I said, we're gonna light it up with a fire cup. And yeah, that's the pit that we're using today. I love this thing. So let's get this lit up. Everything's gonna be great. We're gonna grill these off real fast. And I'm looking so forward to it because it just smells so good. That marinade is just ridiculous. Along with this patio, it's also freaking ridiculous. Okay, so now that it's been hours and hours and hours, we're lighting up the grill. I want to just take a minute to thank our top tier, actually all of our channel members, everybody that has taken the time and the effort to hit the join button right next to the subscribe button. Thank you so much. We really, really appreciate you with our YouTube hobby. So we've been doing YouTube for a long time. If you're new here, my name is Josh. We do a bunch of cooking videos. We have over like 500 videos on our channel. And yeah, it's just our little hobby. So we're gonna do these ribs. Shout out, like I said earlier in this video, to Chuds BBQ. You re-inspired me with these Korean barbecue ribs. I think that they're gonna be amazing. The marinade already tasted amazing. So yeah, looking forward to that. We're gonna get the grill outside lit like you just saw. And let's grill these. Let's do a taste test in the video. Bob's your uncle. All right, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Fire cups did its job. Jealous Devil's getting hot. A couple more minutes, we're gonna get these on the grill. If you guys have ever thought about making this, I haven't even tried it, and I still say make it right now. Holy moly. The neighborhood's gonna be on fire now smelling this goodness. Absolutely amazing smell. Wow. Now we've made these a bunch of times, And the goal is just to flip, 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 flip. And the reason why we're using this grill and Chuds Devil is because that charcoal flavor over these ribs are absolutely amazing. I've never tried this particular marinade. Obviously, I got it from his video, but it smells amazing. It looks amazing. And we're just keep flipping. We're going hot and fast. And it really just, it's waking up the whole entire neighborhood. It's so, so good. And obviously, we love this grill, so yeah, let's just keep on rolling. I got the SNS Grills kettle so hot, I put the lid on, it's still smoking with a Chuds Devil. But I just took the thumbnail picture. I mean, wow, holy moly. Look at that. I put those green onions on just for, you know, the thumbnail picture, but I mean, the smells are so good. Let's go inside and taste it. I mean, it just smells, it looks, it's so good. Let's go see what we're up against. Okay, so you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, and it's called Testing Chuds BBQ Korean Barbecue Recipe. These are so hot, they're burning my hands. Ah! I'm using the kitchen scissors to just make little bites. Holy moly, it smells good, it looks good. And like I said, we've made these before. I talked about that the whole video. I'm repeating myself. I'm annoying. I got it. Oh my goodness, that is freaking hot. Wow. Holy moly. Okay. All right. That's enough bites for right now. And then let's just get involved in a taste test. Wow. All right. It is the moment of truth. I've had this style of ribs numerous times in my life. This marinade, just tasting it out of the blender, was probably the best I've ever had. This is a, let me show the folks. This is a boneless piece right here that I chopped with the kitchen shears. Baby girl. That is everything I thought it would be. Holy moly. Wow. Wow. Just a little piece with the bone. You just hold on to the bone right here and then oh boy. Oh boy. Hold on to the bone. This marinated better. This is freaking rocking. All right, Chuds BBQ, you win this competition. You win. You're the winner. Pop it on the screen. Whoa! You're the winner. Okay. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching another one of our videos. We're just having fun. Oh, good grief. Having fun. Little hobby. Make this. Go to his video. Watch out. Watch our old video from August. This video. Combine all that knowledge. Make this, and you will have your mind freaking blown. It's so good. Sorry this video was all over the place, but all right, we will catch you on the next one. See ya.